Alright, we're back in Brian's Cobble Shop, I call it. Rebuilding hand warmer heads. I watch a lot of videos on this and I found a secret. Nobody will tell you. Went and bought a bag of platinum callus embers for fireplace. This is platinum callus. That's what's in the head when you buy these heads at whatever they cost, like up to $8-10 free shipping, or you go down to wherever you want to get them, Farm and Fleet or whatever, like $8 a head. You know, you get 15, 25 lights off of them. 8-hour. I think these are the 12-hour ones. These are the 6-hour ones, but I got tired of waiting for the ones from China coming in, but I went and bought a bag of this off Amazon for 23 bucks. I mean, I got a lifetime supply right there. And just kind of pull out your little thing in there. You watch a lot of these on YouTube, rebuild them, but just packing. They're kind of snug, not really tight, but you put your little clip back in there. And I mean, I've had this guy here, I got like 30 lights off him, and that one went out. It's time for them to go out. I got another one that's still kind of warm, but I mean, they get work better than the original ones, no doubt. But just, like I said, pack it in there a little snug and leave your little clips down there, so your little spring clip holds them in there. And I'm going to try this. I got one to show you. They're still going. This is going to be pretty rough. I'm going to put that in the vise right here. Oh lordy, kind of hard to do one-handed, but oh, you can see her glowing there. See the glowing. Get her warmed up a little bit. She's cold. I should have shut off all the lights in the house. Now where are we at? There we go. She's a glowing. No doubt, and that's probably at least 15-20 tries. Boy, that baby's going good. Always get the caps on there quick too, and get your outside covers on there. Wow, she shows good on that one. Get your covers on there, and get your bag on there too, no doubt. That's an easy way. I see a lot of people selling rebuilt kits and all kinds of stuff there on YouTube, but this is a great way to save a lot of money if you're out hunting, fishing, whatever in the cold. But rebuild your own heads, I tell you that. I've been doing it for quite a while right now. I ain't gonna pay, you know, $6, $8, $10 for. I rebuilt all mine inside too with the carbon felt because they hold more fuel. But anyway, another good experience from Brian's Cobble Shop. How to save money over the years, no doubt about it. End of video.